All right, let's break down a viral social media trend you can literally start doing today.
So there's this new style of content just blowing up everywhere. TikTok, YouTube, you name it.
And I'm not kidding, some of these accounts are pulling in over 200 million views.
But here's the kicker. The competition is still super low. That makes this a huge opportunity.
And you can make this whole thing with just 2 tools. The best part? They're both totally free.
Okay, first things first. We're going to generate our ideas and scripts using ChatGPT.
You're just going to grab the special master prompt. Yep, copy the whole thing and paste it right in.
And just like that, ChatGPT will spit out a bunch of different detailed video scripts, all ready to go.
For each script, you get an image prompt. It basically tells the AI what picture to make. And you also get an animation prompt. You guessed it, that tells the AI how to bring it to life.
All right, let's actually use these prompts to make our first clip. This is the fun part.
Jump over to Grok Imagem. Just paste your prompt and make sure to set the aspect ratio for shorts.
Pick your favorite image, hit that Make Video button, and then paste in the animation prompt.
Okay, a quick heads up. These free tools usually only make clips that are a few seconds long.
So, the big question is, how do you turn that into something longer and more engaging?
Well, this next trick is the secret sauce. It's how you make everything flow together seamlessly.
All you do is copy the very last frame of your clip and use that as your new starting image.
This creates a new clip that picks up exactly where the last one left off. Stitch them together, done!
Okay, now you've got the method down. Scaling this whole operation is actually really simple.
Remember all those different ideas ChatGPT gave us? Each one can be its own totally unique video. And hey, if you ever run out, just ask ChatGPT for more. It's literally an endless idea machine.
So the takeaway here is you've now got a simple, repeatable formula for making viral content.
This really opens the door to so much creativity. The only question is, what are you going to make first?